Good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's Thursday, May 30th, 2019. Let's get it going in the session today. So yesterday you saw, you could see, it was just a sick bloodbath again from across the board in the markets. All sectors bleeding red, closing red. SPY closing almost 2 points to the downside. Just kind of fell off a cliff within like the first hour, hour and a half, I think it was, of trading. Found a little bit of support, bounced off of that 276 in 75 level. And then just kind of bounced around a little bit there, but you just saw just securities across the board getting selling off, and panic. Like we always say, panic is just opportunity. Short sellers definitely take advantage of the panic emotions when shares getting dumped on the marketplace like that. It just happens in a hurry. Stairs up, elevator down. So as you can see, it was a very solid day for the bears yesterday. A lot of our targets were breached. I have a few on watch. Today I actually got 8 on watch. So let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, first up we have ANF, Abercrombie and Finch. So, you guys know this clothing company. Obviously sold off, had shit earnings, and it's right here in the bottom right. You can see we have the daily. This is just the abyss. We definitely like this empty space here because it will be filled. We like to the 16 level. And it's just a falling knife right now. So 16 conservatively, so we're gonna lay on it, and after the dust settles, see if we maybe get into a little bit before the market opens, but we'll see how the sentiment goes with the institutions when trading begins. Next up, we got INCY. So as you can see, trade down, closed a little over 4 points to the downside. We like to the 75 level, both long-term and short-term. Chart's looking pretty weak and heavy. Just putting in lower highs and lower lows, and we like that. So it's been fading out. Obviously peaked out. You can see on the 28th, and since then it's just putting lower highs and lower lows. So until obviously the market changes its sentiment, we definitely like it to another 2.5 points to the downside. TSN obviously sold off quite nicely yesterday. Just got stuffed out a couple times at VWAP, closed down a little over 5%. We like it at 74 level, sitting on that 50-day. So got another 2.5 points to the downside, and should be right off the gate. So obviously, anytime any of these securities trade above VWAP in the morning, usually it's just market makers scooping up shares to dump back on from out of inventory. So keep a close eye on that when it starts to fade back. If it is trading above VWAP early in the morning, it starts to fade back down towards VWAP. You can actually mitigate risk quite nicely, stepping in there and seeing how it just cracks right through VWAP and ends up fading. So that actually happened a few times yesterday that we were able to take advantage of. So keep a watch out for TSN, do the same thing as well. Next up, we got Boot Barn. These guys took a little bit of a hit yesterday, 5% down. Nothing too crazy, but we're gonna keep an eye on this thing. 26 is our level. We're going to see if it has some more sentiment as far as shares being unloaded. Obviously, you have over 100% institutional ownership, which means obviously shares being borrowed. Excuse me. So, but we like it to the 200-day moving average on the daily, which is a nice support level for us across the board conservatively. So, another 2.5 points to the almost 2 points to the downside. Next up, FL, Foot Locker still fading out. Just had another weak day. Obviously, yesterday the market was weak across the board, but this thing's not done. We like the 40. We're still diligent on the 40, and the 40 is our level until it gets reached. NVDA, it's been obviously you can see it's been fading out, right? So this 135 level is calling its name. I'll tell you right now, this will get breached. How long it's going to take, not sure. But it's you have almost 6 points as an ATR, so if you can, it's very possible we're going to reach it quicker than we assume. But we have 2 days left in the week of trading, so we anticipate this thing's going to get breached by Friday. Hopefully today, we'll see what happens. But we definitely like this thing to the downside. WB, we've been trading this thing, but obviously fading out quite nicely. 41's our level, hasn't been reached yet. Got another 2 points to downside. roughly 2 points. And again, we definitely like this thing. Every time we get stuffed out at VWAP, we just add to the position. But it's try to have a little bit of a run yesterday morning with the market, but once the market started selling off, the WB sold off with it. So I would definitely like this thing if the market's selling off tomorrow or today, excuse me, same way. We're definitely going to add some more shares to the position. Cena, same situation. It's almost identical chart. They pretty much mirror each other. So what WB does, Cena does, and what Cena does, WB does. So we like this thing both. All right, guys, that's what we got going on. We got 8 into the session. And again, if depends how the market opens up, how the sentiment is, but we are bearish overall. We have a couple long positions that we're keeping an eye on, but we're gonna wait to see if the sentiment's there, and if it's time to put that backside in. We'll see if it's so, then we'll tweet it out and let everybody know what's going on. But other than that, we got 8. We got 8 right now. So again, guys, if you want to check it out, you want to see how we're picking these stocks, how we're building our watch list. Answer that question why, whatever question you guys have, come check out the site at thestreettrading.com, and we will sort you out on the 90-day course. All right, guys, have a great day in the market. Stay diligent with your stops. Be patient with your setups. All right, guys, have a good one.